In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your AirPods Pro 3. So let's get started. Step number one, make sure both are in the case, both AirPods. Close the lid. Now, what we need to do is to open the lid, double tap in the front of the case. The light will start flashing white. Double tap again, and then double tap a third time. It will start flashing red. And wait a few seconds, and once it starts flashing white again, it means they have been factory reset. So let me do it again. So both AirPods are in the case. I open the lid, I double tap again, and I double tap a third time so that it flashes red, and it will switch to white in just a few seconds, confirming that the reset has been done. It's very easy. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment if I can improve these videos, or if it was useful, well, just write a comment and say thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as well.